reason you haven't made money is because you don't have enough followers or bought the wrong course. You're wrong. You're focusing on the wrong thing. The problem isn't a lack of information, it's a lack of focus. Remember, we touched on this in a previous video of mine when I talked about the one-page plan. The very first box in the top left-hand corner was your foundation. Who am I? Who do I help? What is my help? What is my I help statement? What is my unique story? Using your foundation, just having that block figured out helps by providing clarity. Taking that next step isn't so bad because you have a foundation. When it comes to not having a lack of information, we live in a high-tech world and there's so much information. It's information everywhere. So a lot of times we can be overburdened. Take that action. What's the point in having all of that? What's the point in having a library of how to do things if you're not taking the steps to do them? So the reason you're stuck is you haven't mastered the one skill that actually matters. It's hitting publish, sending the email, making the offer. Again, we're talking about taking action. You have your foundation. You know what your niche is at this point. But now you need to start taking action in order for you to drive success. And that can be many things. That can be organizing email list, going over your metrics to see how many impressions or clicks did this reel get versus this story versus your YouTube short. You have to take action. This can even be as much more actionable when it comes to DMs, having a conversation, engaging with your audience, reaching out. But at the end of all of that, there's still an action. There's something that needs to be done. I want to give you a simple framework. It's the 1% action rule. Every day, your goal is to directly lead to a sale. And like I mentioned, that can be many things. Organizing your newsletter, that you're sending the right message to your email base, to your subscriber base, to see if you can get them to give you a simple framework. It's the 1%. Every day, your goal is to do one thing that could directly lead to yourself. And dealing with links here, but not only that, there are other things that happen that play out behind the scenes that help make our business profitable, right? When we gain a new subscriber, what was done for that to happen? Consistently posting content, ensuring that you're responding to the comment section, you're giving your audience time, leaving 10 or more helpful content tips or just helpful information within the social circles of those within your network. Customers who are genuinely looking for information that you have. That's an action. That's that 1% rule. That's doing that one thing every day that can directly lead to a sale. You document, don't create. Your journey is learning the content. This removes all the pressure to being an expert. We all had to start somewhere. Even the experts had to start somewhere. But in the end, it's still our journey, all of us. Whatever we embark, but right here within the affiliate marketing world, our journey is to learn the content as we go along by taking the action, by taking the necessary steps to create, which makes it fun. I mean, honestly, I actually enjoy YouTube more than I do Instagram. I don't know. I just feel like it's fun because yeah, no, I'm not an expert. I don't know everything. I don't pretend to know everything. I'll be the first one to tell you I don't know, but I will find out for you. And that's just been me all of my life. So doing something like this definitely fits in the realm of my personality, but it was definitely something that I had to get used to. Again, this is all a process, and we're learning as we're going. So so for me, when it comes to my actions, I do have a system. I have my own checklist of things that I know I need to do in order for me to feel efficient and productive and make sure that I have all eyes on my business plan. Make sure I am aware of everything that is going on at all times, right? If you're not sure what your number 1% action should be, let's figure that out together. Let me help you find that 1% action. And I can do so by offering you the Affiliate Starter Kit. It is a fully done for you kit. It has that 1-page plan that we discussed where you speak about or you write down your foundation, who you are, who you're helping, your content engine, what vehicle are you using to drive the success of your business, to get your information to your audience, to your specific audience, your offer. What are you providing? What other services other than content that I'm consuming as your audience? What other services are you providing? Is it a call? Is it a DIY? Is it like a done for you service? What is it? And then you have your daily action, which is our conversation today. And that's that 1%, taking certain actions to get to yield certain results. The result being new subscribers, more clicks, more impressions. The list goes on. With the affiliate kit, you have the clarity you need to start your affiliate marketing business. The link to your kit is at the top of the description below. And again, go ahead and jot down what the action you've taken today, maybe not today, maybe it was in the week, maybe it was within the month, like whatever. All of our timelines are different. I just want to know, did you take that action? I can't wait to read your comment. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. I appreciate you always. See you later.